So, our plumbing is done completely wrong. Oh, that's going to be a hard one to solder up. We've got the plumbing all against the foundation wall. Right here. And it, of course, froze and cracked. So now we got to find our solder and our torch and give us a little more room in here. This is a little soft and blew a hole in here. Soaked it all. It's all got to come out. It's going to be a big moldy mess. Push this out somewhere. We've got a wire run with that too. So I can get that up like that, put a board behind it, solder it up. Close it, solder it, no big deal. Okay, find a board, some solder. So we're going to close this up. Some channel locks. Now we're fully capable of soldering that. Soldering that crack. Just need to find the solder. Be no big deal. And we got our new torch set here. I haven't even used this. I'm gonna make sure they got pressure. Last time they filled the bottles, they gave me empty bottles.
Would you be willing to try the peppermint coffee?
No, this stuff doesn't work that good. Can you find me a squirt bottle with some water in it?
Yes, I can give you one right now. Hold on.
Solder is shit. I really miss lead. I had some lead solder. You freaking
What kind of solder is this?
lead free.
Oh no. I didn't even know they made lead-free solder.
That's all you can get these days.
Really? Just always have to worry about touching solder.
Just, I don't need it right now. Just put it on the stairs, please. God damn. Maybe it's good this time. It doesn't look that good, but yeah, water's filled the pipe now. Cooled it right off.
Is it leaking even a little bit?
No. I need to go turn on the rest of the way.
Okay. Do you want me to hold it while you turn it on the rest of the